Hello and welcome to FingerTips. In this video, you will know all about business intelligence and its implementations in your business. We will cover in detail what business intelligence means, what aspects to look for in business intelligence, and the important tools for your organization. Business intelligence offers a wide variety of tools and techniques to support reliable and accurate decision making. Let's dive into the world of BI by first knowing what exactly is BI. Well, BI is simply a set of processes, architectures, and technologies that convert raw data into meaningful information that drives profitable business actions. BI offers capabilities of real-time sales tracking, allowing users to discover insights into customer behavior, forecast profits, and much more. Various industries like retail, insurance, and beverages have adopted BI, and more are joining each year. Let me put it in a simple way. To collect all the data that your business generates in various forms, we visualize and analyze the data in order to clearly understand and collect valuable insight on how your business is performing. This collection of valuable information allows you to understand the business better and take smart decisions for the business growth and better future prospects. You might be now thinking, what role BI plays here? Well, business intelligence enhances how a company approaches its decision making by using data to answer questions of the company's past and present. It can be used by teams across an organization to track key metrics and organize on goals. It is very important to understand that your BI strategy needs to first align with your business goals and vision and how you are going to use the data in your company. So let's understand the BI strategies and how it is used by the companies. For easy understanding, let's see how Netflix uses business intelligence. As you all know, Netflix uses data in multiple ways. One example that you are aware of is how the company formulates and validates original programming ideas based on previously viewed programs. Well, your Netflix also uses business intelligence to get people to engage with its content. The service is so good at targeted content promotion that its recommendation system drives over 80% of streamed content, thanks to BI. However, the success of BI highly depends on three aspects. Let's dig into it deeper and understand three aspects of business intelligence. It is very crucial to practice these aspects to get the best of BI technique. The very first point you must know better is understanding the data. In today's fast-paced and developing times, data does not just mean the statistical information stored in files or folders. It can be anything in the form of text, videos, audios, emojis, images, and much more. Data is in every corner today. Each and every piece of information which has valuable strength is data of your subject. Now, here, BI has a challenging task to cover the important data. It is very difficult to get full coverage of your business profile and its performance. So, all the data is brought together in one place for us to analyze and get the clear report. With business intelligence, you will broaden and enhance the range and precision of information you will get from your data, allowing you to take sharper and strategic decisions of your business. The second aspect is business analysis. Business analysis is a process of gathering meaningful insight from data using specific techniques and performing tasks to identify the needs of a business, then recommending changes and providing solutions that produce value for the stakeholders. Many of the solutions potentially have software and digital database components, but can also incorporate changes like improving processes, developing new policies, and engaging in strategic planning. This highlights the important aspects of the business and its performance. For instance, how your health check reports give you full body summary of the body test done with accurate results. It gives you clear health report for you to take health precautions if required. Similarly, a BI report or a dashboard consists your business KPI, which has collection of right data as market value of your business, social platform involvements and interaction, and company updates. A dashboard gives you a clear idea as which department is performing and what areas you need to improvise in order to enhance business performance. Data visualization is the key to give simple and clear representation of business structure and performance. So now, as you have fair idea as what data is all about, what's data visualization and business analysis, it's time for you to understand the third and the most important aspect, that is business insight. Business insight is the next thing which we will understand after knowing data visualization. The data metrics that generate from the report gives us project detail in depth. It helps us to compare the previous records and study the progress of the business in various stages. Business insights allows us to see the growth and check as how the process has evolved with time. Hope you got a good idea on all the three aspects of business intelligence. What do you think? Is it that easy? Is it easy to understand the big data, taking out the useful information and then analyzing it and giving insights? Fortunately, yes. Through business intelligence software, analysis can operate successfully. Business intelligence is used by businesses in a variety of industries, from restaurants to airlines and online shopping to banking. All these is due to software and various tools. Let us first understand what the business intelligence software is. Business intelligence software is a set of business analytics solutions used by companies to retrieve, analyze, and transform data into useful business insights and smart visualizations like charts, graphs, and dashboards. BI tools adds the value of operational data by continuously validating and monitoring information quality. It also automates testing tasks during report and analysis development. The unique automation approach and the simple user interface guarantee same-day benefits. Some important features of BI tools are autopilot data quality, measuring and testing, driven by metadata, fully customizable algorithms, rules and test behavior, gallery with hundreds of best practices, validation templates ready to be used by you, deep insight analysis with clear dashboards and alerting processes, integration with hundreds of tools, example ServiceNow, Slack, Teams, etc. Embeddable into DataOps processes and DataOps CI/CD flows. Hundreds of connectors of any kind of data such as RDBMS, APIs, flat files, business applications, etc. So now you know what business intelligence is all about. It's just the precision and clarity to understand the business model with correct statistics to come up with fruitful insights. With right practice and constant strategic efforts, BI definitely holds a bright future. One example you can relate is in sales department, actionable sales and revenue forecasting. Here are some of the best BI tools that will help you get your insights accurately. The first one is Tableau. Tableau is one of the best software for business intelligence solutions. Tableau's performance certainly lives up to the hype. With a full API, report sharing, and good customer support, Tableau also allows you to mix data from multiple data sources, be it Excel, SQL, Oracle, or more. A growing professional services business was struggling to gain insight into their sales forecast. The standard sales reports just not cutting it. After implementing Tableau CRM, they built a sales forecast dashboard to combine opportunities won with the forecast revenue from open opportunities. This was easily sliced and diced using charts to filter the data by stage, account, expected quarter, etc. The business outcome was simple, flexible, and intuitive dashboard that informed business leaders and enabled smart decision making. The next tool on our list is Domo, the first business intelligence tool to run completely on the cloud. Domo is a quickly growing system that allows you to access insights about your business from anywhere. Domo offers over 500 data connectors. Domo also offers hundreds of apps to suit your industry. Domo's strength is for executive dashboarding. If you want, is a low-lift way to connect to lots of external data sources, for example, Google Analytics with books, and build straightforward reports on their top-line metrics, then Domo is just a good option. It's all in one, looks pretty, and is pretty user-friendly. The next business intelligence tool we will be talking about is Oracle BI, the best and one of the most leading in business software products. Oracle also offers a business intelligence tool that performs smoothly with other products such as Oracle ERP and more. Oracle Analytics Platform enables you to simplify your analytics strategies with modern, standard, and integrated platform. With advanced analytics, all key decision makers are empowered to quickly find answers to predictive and statistical questions. Users are flattered with compelling and visually stunning analytical story using data visualization extensions. So, these were the just few to mention important tools of BI. There are many more other than this. The next and the most important thing we will be discussing about is the skills needed to make your business intelligence journey a bit comfortable. Do follow the tips that will boost your business intelligence skills. The first and the foremost tip is to improve problem-solving skills. Developing a dashboard is one of the best processes of solving a problem. As a BI analyst, you will have many challenges and you will meet tons of complex data sets, and it will be a critical task to know how to prioritize your work to translate those complex data and business questions into actionable insights. Be a self-starter with great curiosity about emerging technology to enhance your problem structuring and analytical problem solving skills. Second, and the most important tip is to know your audience. When you are clear as who is the right audience you have to approach, it becomes easy to handle the statistics. You will get a clear idea on how to design a customized dashboard and then to present your findings and recommendations to your audience more efficiently. Not necessarily the target audience is just the customers. It can also be the members from the management department and high-level team. The next thing you need to take care of is effective communication skills. Communication between your clients and your team plays a very important role while designing a dashboard. Effective communication takes you forward in the right direction and your insights are applicable to clients' next big move. However, at the same time, it is very important to build a strong business insight. While business insight is not built within one day, you should begin to realize how important it is in your daily discipline and practice. Being a pro analyst is not enough. Knowing your business model and who your business is targeting will take you further in your career journey. The last but not the least, the fifth one is to strengthen your analytical skills. Advance your SQL, Excel, and dashboard creating skills through our online FingerTips community to lead business critical data initiatives. Get certified with the common BI tools such as Tableau, R, and Python. So, these are the areas where you need to work upon to boost your business intelligence skills. Did you know that 75% of business leaders agree that analytics has changed their industry in at least a moderate way? So, you would now agree that there does appear to be a clear understanding that BI is recognized as an important component of business operations. As organizations pour more of their efforts into making better use of their data, BI will play an increasingly important role in the leveraging of this information. Okay guys, with this we have reached to the end of this video. Hope this information was useful to you and we help you explore the business intelligence world of endless opportunities of bright future. Thank you for watching this video. For more such content on the latest trending technology, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, happy learning!